Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at the market, at least for today, needs no downside. Had that Powell put that has been actually boosting this market higher since basically Christmas is still in play here. We got the deal or no deal kind of market as well. It looks like at least a deal on the shutdown, perhaps a deal coming out of China remains to be seen, but at least the market pushing its way higher here, although earnings have been revised down here. So you have higher stock prices, lower expected earnings. That means that multiple is expanded. So at some point stocks will, I think, lose a little bit of that sugar high from the Powell put and probably come back a little bit here. One stock that I'm looking at that certainly has embodied that is Procter & Gamble, old-time favorite back around the 75 level, now at all-time highs. Stock up at that 90 level. Implied V post earnings that were good but not great at the lowest level we've seen in a couple of years. So I just jumping in, buying some March 85 puts, looking for somewhere along the way a pullback in Procter & Gamble and the overall market. It doesn't cost very much given the fact IV is at almost 15 on this name. Another stock that I'm playing in front of earnings is Weight Watchers. This one has been absolutely decimated, was well over 100 about a year and a half ago, now trading below 30. Stock finally stopped that huge drop here, trading about 29.25. Earnings coming out the end of the month, so I'm jumping in, actually buying next week's slightly in the money calls, the 29s, selling this Friday's 29 and a halves, paying about 50 cents for that, staying in front of earnings that are coming Feb 27th, also capturing almost an 8-point term structure vol edge here, selling almost a 60, buying nearly a 50, positioning slightly bullishly. Given the fact this stock is extremely well shorted, I think we'll probably see some position squaring in front of those earnings that will lift up the name. Also the trampling down on that IV on those options that I'm buying, which I like to buy options at lower IV than higher, everything being equal. So we'll see what comes out of the China talks. We'll see if the government shutdown sure looks like it's been averted. And we'll also see how earnings season wraps up. It's been pretty much as advertised, although the beats and the magnitude of the beats has been less than normal. So until next time, as always, here's the good trading. Take care.